MVC will improve the performance of web application. We discussed that ASP.NET MVC, another advantage or feature is improved performance. How it will improve the performance, we are going to discuss. Are you clear? Yes. Right. So that is right. Compare with ASP.NET Web Form application, ASP.NET MVC application will provide more performance. Compare with ASP.NET Web Form application, ASP will give more performance. Why? Reason. ASP.NET Web Form process the web page with lot of activities. ASP.NET Web Form process the web page, ASP.NET web page with lot of activities. In ASP.NET Web Form execution, the activities are page related events, server control object will create. All your ASP.NET controls are server side controls or client side? Server side. Load the requested data, process the values, convert to HTML and so on. Due to this behavior, ASP.NET Web Form execution will be time consuming and extra burden to the server. But whereas ASP.NET MVC does not perform all the above activities, first of all, because it does not support server controls and processing will be faster. Means your ASP.NET MVC will have all the controls are client side controls. It will not have server side controls. So server side control execution will not be there. And another important point you have to understand is in ASP.NET you will have events. It will perform so many. Whenever your web page is processing, it will execute first page related events as part of the ASP.NET page lifecycle. Your page pre-request, page pre-render, page load, all these things. First, you remember one important point. Your ASP.NET MVC will not support any events. It will not support any events. So events processing will not be there. So it will be reducing lot of burden on your web page execution. But where you take in ASP.NET, completely it is events based. And second thing is in ASP.NET Web Forms, all the controls are server side controls. Every time the object will create in the server. In MVC, the controls are client side controls. So due to this, ASP.NET MVC does not perform all the above activities. All the above activities means like events related activities and server side control activities, loading the request data, process the values, converting to HTML, because by default your complete ASP.NET MVC code, your ASP.NET MVC, your view code, you can observe here your view code doesn't have any run at equal to server. By default it is a HTML, or you can call it as a client side code. But when you take your ASP.NET Web Forms application, you can observe the source code will contain an attribute called run at equal to complete. The form is run at equal to server. Are you clear? Here head is completely run at equal to server. Whenever run at equal to server means it's server side code. Again, it has to convert into client understandable code. That procedure is not required. This convert to HTML and so on is not required in ASP.NET MVC, because complete your .cs HTML file will contain the only client side code. So that's the reason the improved performance, that MVC application will have improved performance. Right. Next point is